So, plans are nothing, but planning is everything. So you might have a lot of plans in your mind, but unless you start planning right away, they are not going to turn into reality. So you keep on planning, planning, planning. Even towards the end of the year, you will be planning. We don't want you to get into that situation. We want your plans and dreams to turn to reality, and this is the roadmap through which you can achieve it. November, December. We have already been telling you that you have to have your BOD and president nominee in place. हो गया है सबका? Any problems with that? Have you used the method that we have told you? You need to elect, appoint an election officer, call for nominations, and then you have to appoint. You have not done that. Please do that. At least, Abhi, I'll tell you, at least do it on paper. At least do it on paper. And let me tell you, see, क्या problem होने वाला है? 4 months down the line, you might have an issue with one of your members. You might, tell him something. You might try to correct him. उसका सटक जाएगा, and he will straight away say, तुम president ही नहीं है. He will challenge you. Show me, how did you become the president? You will not have any minutes. You will not have any procedure. You will be directly declared as a president who has not been elected through the right way. You will have to vacate your chair. It has happened. It has actually happened. I will not tell you the club, but in a couple of clubs it has happened, Jaideep. You'll watch for it. Bharat, people who have experience, we have gone through it. So please have it on paper, and ऐसा मत समझो most of the clubs ये सोचते हैं कि नहीं हमारे club में तो सब कुशल मंगल है, but one cranky guy might create trouble for you, and you might, I have told you this before, you might spend your entire year trying to solve that problem. बाकी projects सब रह गया बाजू में, you will be trying to address that issue. So please don't get into that. At least on paper, you should have it. You should have minutes of the meeting, of course. You have to take your club members into confidence. Have that set of papers ready with you. So BOD positions have to be placed. Plan your installation. Not the detailed plan, like at least a broad plan on which date you want it done, probably on a meeting date. Most of you want it on weekends because you want your members to be free the next day so that they can enjoy. So remember, all the clubs are thinking, all the presidents, 100 of them are thinking in the same way. So 100 weekends nahi hote 2 mahine mein. You have to start. You have to start planning for it. And if you want DG Kailash as your chief guest, you have to get in touch with Harsh. किसी और के साथ contact मत करो. किसी ने भी, any other person giving you a word will not be accepted. It's Harsh who decides. In fact, let me tell you in a lighter way, even Darshana consults Harsh. Kailash ये particular date पे free है क्या? Seriously. In fact, Darshana tells Harsh, ये date पे कुछ नहीं देना because there is a wedding in the family. Kailash forgets it, but Harsh and Darshana remember it for him. So please contact Harsh in case you want Kailash as your chief guest. And you have to do it now during the prepeds. Plan it, consult your club if need be, and get it done. Have the first unofficial meeting of your BOD with the Smile President. Take your Smile President into confidence and have a meeting with your BOD along with the Smile President so that there is continuity. If a project needs to be continued, taken into the next year, that can be planned. There are many projects that go on and on. So for those ongoing projects, get in touch with, get your BOD, talk to them, tell them what you expect from each one of them. Reveal your plans to them. So this is it. District goals, whatever we are telling you, you have to update your team members. What the district team or Kailash wants from you. From a particular avenue, membership goal kya hai, TRF goal kya hai, what we expect in community projects, please explain to them. To your BOD, you have to be a connect between the district and them. So do that. And tell them that start thinking about your revenue and come up with ideas. So ask them to start thinking. So these things will make them believe that you plan to do something. And that will set the ball rolling, believe me. Karo, it might be a surprise for many of your club members. कि अरे ये इससे पहले कभी नहीं हुआ है. We want you to do exactly that. We want you to be trendsetters. So please do that. February, Kailash will be coming back from his training. He will be carrying the message of our RI President Jennifer Jones, and we would like to listen to him. So February, there will be a welcome back. We'll be announcing it. So you will get your RI theme as you have got your FAB theme. Now you'll be getting your RI theme also. The concept behind it, the philosophy behind it will be explained to you by Kailash. So we'll be meeting Kailash on February for welcoming him back. March. अभी तक जो भी आप लोगों ने ट्रेनिंग लिया है, revise it. Go back, think what you have learned till now, and then get ready for your pets. That is what I told you. Part 1 को तभी recall करो, so that you are ready for part 2. Chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3 पढ़ोगे, so you are ready for chapter 4 and 5. So revise whatever you have learned, make notes. If need be, call us, pick our brains. We are always there for you. You need these presentations, we'll send them to you, and as we have already sent them, the previous ones. जो preview or review में हुआ, I'm sure you must have got it. If no, get in touch with your district secretaries and assistant governors. We have sent those files to them. नहीं है तो I am there. Individually, I'll send them to you. No problem. So get in touch, attend the PETS, the official training program, as we call it. And like here, it will not be fun. It will be learning, and learning. No entertainment. It's a serious learning program. Be ready for it. Yes, and you have the sets. The most important person of your club is the club secretary, your right hand. And we say that by the end of the year, if the club secretary and president are on talking terms, आपका साल एकदम जबरदस्त गया है. We want you to do that only. You should be on talking terms with your secretary, not your secretary, the club secretary, towards the end of the year. Prepare him or her for the sets, secretary-elect training sessions. And have the second unofficial meet of your BOD. आपने पहले BOD में, you had told them, come up with plans. Now ask them to reveal their plans. What you have thought. हर एक के avenue में, give them that importance. We want you to be free during your year. हर चीज खुद करने मत जाओ. Delegate your responsibilities. BOD should not be there to be there on paper. Activate the BOD. And I'm sure in most of the clubs, BOD is just for the sake of paper. Many a times when we go to the clubs, as assistant governors, I remember, I know, I have done my homework. I know this guy is for membership. मैं उसको पूछता हूँ, what plan do you have for membership? अच्छा मैं है क्या membership का? President की तरफ देखते हैं, अच्छा मैं हूँ membership का, हाँ तू है, अच्छा. Please, that should not happen. Your director should know what you expect from him and what he should be doing. So have the second unofficial meet. April, the BOD members should be encouraged to attend the DTA. जैसे you have the pre-pets for yourself, DTA is for the BOD. They are going to be trained, we'll have focused training sessions for them. आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि we need to train them, your BOD members in a particular issue, please get back to us. We'll incorporate whatever you have in mind. We'll definitely do. Let it be a two-way process. You understand your club, we understand Rotary, let's come together so that we train your BOD. And after the DTA, call your assistant governor, your FAB assistant governor, introduce him to your BOD and have a discussion on what was taught during the DTA. So make use of that. And most important, start listing the projects that you have in mind. You cannot do it in June. It will never work. You have to start now because you have to start preparing for the district grant. You have to start sending us your ideas and your budget for the district grant. So you have to start in April. Major koi projects hai, CSR projects hai, get in touch with the CSR team. There'll be a lecture on that. So get in touch with the CSR team so that they help you out. But uske liye you should have your plan ready. What kind of project? Remember, CSR people are very specific. So if you have a water-based project, we have to go to a specific CSR. If you have something in women literacy, we have to go to a specific CSR. Have that ready so that we can direct you kaun se company ko kidhar approach karna hai. And of course, to make your meetings interesting, April se start planning for speakers. We will give you a list of speakers if you want. And when you're thinking about speakers, don't hesitate. अरे मैंने इसको बुलाया 4 ही मेंबर रहेंगे इसीलिए you never end up calling speakers because you have that fear in mind. Believe me, call us. 2 लोग भी रहेंगे ना, we'll sit across the table and talk. हम लोग कभी आपको नहीं पूछेंगे कि बॉस मेरे को बुलाया, I see only 3 people. We will never do that. I promise you. So get that fear out of your mind. If we don't have 6 people, if we have 2 people, instead of a speaker session, we'll have a discussion. No problem. We have done that actually. We will never ask you, we will never embarrass you. Bindas, call us, we are there for you. So start the ball rolling so that when your members, kya karna hai, call. 4 jan aaye na meeting mein, those 4 people should praise what has happened during the speaker session. बहुत ज़बरदस्त था, so the other members are motivated. इस बार 4 है, अगले बार 8 होंगे, and then you will have that meeting. And we will give you very interesting speakers on Rotary and non-Rotary topics. So start planning for that. And finally, May, June, have the 3rd unofficial meet with your BOD, set the ball rolling, plans and budgets, ka input le lo, what they have in mind. I'll send those presentations. Don't snap. Then you have a joint BOD with your Smile BOD. Transfer of ideas, transfer of projects, transfer of experience that they have gained during the year. So get that and start planning for your installation in details. We have been telling you, and when we say details, whatever protocols we have told you previously as far as the logos are concerned, as far as the positions are concerned, consult us anytime. I would sincerely urge you, as soon as आप लोग अपना agenda बनाते हो, send it to your AG. AG को बोलो, this is my agenda. Consult him. And then the AG will suggest. And again, there might be sometimes resistance from your past presidents. हमारे club में ऐसा नहीं होता है. So like I have told you before, it should be convincing. Convince them. Don't argue with them. Don't try to say that नहीं हमको ये सिखा गया. Don't carry that back. जो भी सिखा गया है मन में रखो. Don't say that I have been taught. Say this is what I believe it is correct. So consult your club members and do the installation in a very good way. And of course, strategic planning sessions like what has been told, and plan your DOP. Now then again, director orientation programs where we'll be coming to your clubs to train your BOD. Start training for those sessions. So, like I said before, start planning, and whenever you are planning, remember the district team is always with you. आप लोग हमारे दामाद हो. So any time you can call us. दामादगिरी कभी भी करो. आप दामादगिरी करो. We promise you हम आप पे दादागिरी नहीं करेंगे. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Srijit, for throwing light on how to plan your year. And I hope all president-elect will start planning their year right now. Now, next speaker is
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. It is your You should never call anybody from the district for your, it is your club meeting. Never, never. Never, never, never. No. Yes. I'll tell you, very nice question, but remember, I expect your BOD to be past presidents. Some of them at least. So everybody is not new. And don't do that also. Don't take the entire new team. मेरे को कोई past president नहीं चाहिए. हाँ, सास ससुर लोग को respect देना ही पड़ता है. So do that. Yeah. So, agar I understand that question, but it is a bit confusing. Lekin the thing is that we'll be busy in the other things. Because आप खुद trained नहीं हो. You have your pets coming up. So unofficial, whatever experience that you have gained till now, I assume all of you are not new members. आपको भी 3-4 साल हो गए Rotary में. Unplanned, that's okay. There might be some issues, but it is not possible to have a DOP in Jan-Feb because it will clash with your current BOD. So ideas clash होंगे between the current BOD and that BOD. We want you to talk to your Smile BOD when they have realized that it is the end of their tenure. Tenure के बीच में जाके बात करोगे तो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So let them understand that they are towards retirement, so they will be more cooperative. Yeah.
New to the Rotary family. So the whole concept is new to them. So now the formation of BOD for me in the coming year is people without any background. The formation is one thing, we will be allocating the responsibilities to them without knowing what it is. The first question what he asked is very much relevant to which you said, hopefully you don't have new members, but we are having all new members. So they actually know nothing. Very much important is the whatever you mentioned about the DTA, XYZ, XYZ. So if they have a training about certain things, fantastic. But do you have a schedule for all the programs that are going to come up in the next year? Schedule in the sense, yes, with the time frame, whenever it is going to happen, so that the people are really aware when they will be trained for various things.
The schedule is what I've given you. Pets, sets, DTA.
I am saying about which month. Schedule is which month it is going to be,
Yes.
so that the people can be really trained and really.
See, I'll tell you, now, when you're talking about a new club, then you need specific training.
That's what.
And for that, you have somebody. What is your solution? Who's the person you should go to?
Sponsor.
Huh?
Sponsor.
Huh?
Sponsor.
No.
Sponsor club.
New club advisor.
NCA, yes. But,
So he has to design specific training for your club.
yes.
And like, I totally agree with you. That they need to be, so if you need our help there also, we are willing to come.
So I was going to ask the same thing. We need to have a specific training even before going to DTA.
You need a set, you need a pre-pets for your own club, we'll do that for you.
Individual members. So that
We'll have a pre-pets for your club.
point one. Sorry, point one. Point two is regarding the election process. You rightly said that whoever the election has to happen, the president has to get it signed. Is it only the minutes of meeting going to suffice based on the presence of
Now
the
it- now-
and or the forms that are there have to be signed by the members?
Yes.
Uh,
Yes.
Supported by and seconded
Yes,
by.
yes, yes.
Mandatorily required?
Yes. Mandatory not required. But if you don't do it and you are having a problem, somebody can just say that you are not a president.
True, true. So that's why I said, that's why I put it up, whether it's the MOM that is going to suffice and or the forms need to
Then you
substantiate.
need to have everything on paper. You should have a file created on how you or the next president has been selected or elected.
Perfectly. Lastly, we can see various logos.
I would like to interrupt. There is a time constraint.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, एक मिनट
One second.
I'll
It is
I'll look at my
relevant,
text.
it is only regarding the logos,
I'll look at
my
my
last
text.
point. Can we get the soft copy of the logos which can be utilized for the presentation? Or
www.rotary.org create logos.
Thank you, sir.
वहाँ पे I'll tell you, you just have to go there, put your club name and download. The logo will come as it is.
Thank you.
कुछ भी नहीं करना है. ऐसे format में the logo will come. CDL file you want, whatever format you want, send it to your printer. It is ready. अच्छा, it is not only logos, all sorts of pamphlets, flyers, everything is available. Somebody here.
What can be your duties of club admin? I just want to know who can be ideal person in BOD for club admin.
No, that we'll get into it later. We'll get into it. Definitely during fellowship, before I start, let's say
Offline ले.
Thank you very much, Srijit.